Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a fair price. Features also include keyless ignition, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating. With these ratings, come test drive the 2016 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.